USA. Thursday night's USA-Canada Championship game at the showed viewers' appetite for best on best international hockey. Four nations face off the game, which on a goal by star Connor McDavid averaged 9.3 million viewers, its biggest hockey audience ever. It peaked at 10.4 million. ESPN said Canada won 3-2 in overtime Edmonton Oilers. The network's previous top hockey telecast was the victory against the Oilers which averaged 7.7 million viewers on ABC. Florida Panthers Game 7 of the Stanley Cup Final. ESPN said Thursday's game was also its most viewed non-NFL event on ESPN. I think was a big success overall for hockey, a lot of viewers and a lot of fun, Team Sweden Panthers defenseman Gustav Forsling told reporters. He called the tournament very fast hockey, surreal, and a memory for life. NHL players will be back at it next February in the 2026 Olympics. This tournament, which also involved Finland, was designed to be an appetizer for the leagues for the first time since 2014. The NHL and Players Association also have announced a return to the Olympics World Cup of Hockey for 2020. The last international tournament featuring top NHL players was the 2016 World Cup of Hockey. This year's tournament blew that one away. The four games carried on ESPN and ABC averaged 4.3 million viewers, up 1,079% from the 2016 games on ESPN, the network said. Sportsnet, which carried Thursday's game in Canada, reported similar rating success. It said Thursday's game averaged 5.7 million viewers and reached 10.7 million Canadians. The audience peaked at 7.3 million when McDavid scored.